Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. This week is going to be an exercise in repetition. I'm going to be making a couple of handles for a garlic press from a couple of pieces of mesquite. Stick around, we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was found the center on the end of one end of the blank and marked it and put a little dimple with a scratch hole. And then mounted the blank in my chuck with pen jaws using the point from the center to get it centered so that when I turn it, it's not cattywampus either way. So first thing I need to do is drill out for the handle. The hole wants to be about that long, so what I'm going to do is mark that same depth of drill bit a little bit longer with a piece of tape. That's about as deep as I need to go. So let me get the tailstock, or live center out of my tailstock, and we'll drill it out. Alright, to keep that centered, I'll use the cone center in my tailstock, and that should keep it from moving. So let me grab a spindle roughing gouge and I'll rough it down to profile. I'm going to take my calipers here and get the diameter that wants to be, about that. Lock it in. And I don't have very much to take down at all. I'm assuming I want it to be flush with it. Almost there already. Alright, so what I'll probably do is make a little bead, make a little bit of a neck, and then come out and get larger and come close to the end. So let me establish those details. And I'll use this one as a reference for making the second. Okay, let me put some abrasive sanding paste on it and see what that does to it. Looks good. Let me get some friction polish and that'll really add some shine. Alright, so the next step is to part it off. Get a little narrow parting tool in there. When I'm done, I'll take this over to the drill press and knock off that nub and sand and polish the end, but looks pretty good. Let's move on to the second one.
3 hours later.
Okay, part it off. Alright, I'm going to take this to the drill press, clean both these up, and I'll meet you guys over at the bench and we'll put it together. Okay, there's no real assembly at this point. These just screw in, and I'm not going to epoxy these in because I have a feeling that the wife is going to want to throw this thing in the dishwasher. I imagine it's going to get kind of gummed up in there, and she won't want to mess with scrubbing the little grate. So I size the holes so that it's not a press fit. It is kind of a screw fit, but it's not like fully threaded. So it's not going to come off, but it can come off if you need it to throw it in the dishwasher. And there's no, as you saw, there's no threaded inserts or anything. I just sized the screws to be that way. So there you go, one garlic presser. We'll see how this works. See what the wife thinks of it. Thanks for sticking with me if you made it this far. Try to put out one of these every week or so, so hit subscribe and ring the notification bell if you want to get notified the next time, next project. Otherwise, give me a thumbs up or a comment. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like. I'll see you next week. Take care.